Are you looking for the die cutting machine? In this video we will look at some of the die cutting machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cricut Explore Air 2 Machine. The Cricut Explore Air 2 machine is a fantastic starter pack that comes with everything a beginner would ever need. It comes with a tool kit and vinyl in multiple colors. The tool kit includes a spatula, scissors, scraper, tweezers, and weeder. Besides, you get 8 9 x 12 inch sheets Cricut vinyl, 2 9 x 12 inch sheets transfer paper, and 5 medium point pens in different colors. What's more is that you get a starter guide, an electronic format ebook. The tutorials come in handy when creating your first project. Your PDF will be emailed to you once you make your purchase. That's not all to be excited about. The machines boast a design space software that you can access through a computer, an iPad app, tablet, or your smartphone and upload images in .svg, .jpg, .png, .bmp and .gif formats. As an icing on the cake, it comes with a built-in Bluetooth for wireless cutting, scoring, and writing. It has a unique ability to cut through different materials. Using the Smart Set dial, you can adjust the machine to cut a variety of material: paper, felt, and iron-on. What's exciting is that this thing cuts through the material at a speed that's double its predecessors. If you're starting, this is the best die cutting machine for beginners on the market. At number 2. Portable Sizzix Manual Die Cutting Machine. Sizzix Manual Die Cutting Machine is for you if you're always on the move. It features a handle that neatly folds away, making it best for people on the go. The best part is that this machine is straightforward to store. Well, let's look into other cool features that you'll like. The cutting surface allows you to cut and emboss up to 6 inch wide, making it ideal for papercraft, home sewn projects, card making, scrapbooking, and upcycling. Whether you're an amateur or a pro, this machine will fully satisfy your needs. The Big Shot machine can create a detailed and perfect design in easy steps. It is designed to cut a range of materials from tissue to cork. Also, you can chop fabric as well as wood. With this die cutting machine, you'll never worry about storing your wafer-thin dies, as it has storage compartments built into the foldaway. If you're looking for the best manual die cutting machine that's consistent with results, look no further. Following the available instructions to the latter makes this machine one of the easiest to use. Something else that's worth mentioning is that the Big Shot has a high cutting power. If you're looking for die cutting machine to use not over and beyond cutting, then this is it. At number 3. Sizzix Big Shot Manual Die Cutting Machine. If you're looking for the best die cutting machine for card making, then look no further. Sizzix Big Shot Manual Die Cutting is a manual machine designed to suit both experts and beginners. It can emboss a wide range of materials up to 6 inch wide. What's more, is that this machine is compatible with all products from the Sizzix library, including texture fades, finlets, textured impressions, bigs, framelets, and impress its embossing folders. The A5 size opening makes it possible for you to create multiple designs such as paper crafting, fashion embellishments, home decor, quilting, scrapbook pages, among others. It comes with an extended multi-purpose platform and a pair of cutting pads. Besides, the starter kit also comes with excellent dies, 2 different styles, so you're safe if you didn't have any dies to use yet. This fantastic die cutting machine can work on papers, fabrics, felts, tins, among others. Note that the 6 inch wide opening means small materials, and therefore, if you want to work on something bigger, you'll have to consider a big machine, although this machine weighs 7.5 pounds. You need to hold it down when turning the crank to prevent it from sliding around. The machine's design is compact and allows moving around with it, although its sides don't fold up. What makes it limiting is its working capacity. The 6 inch opening is quite small for some crafting projects. At number 4. Spellbinders Platinum Machine. This is yet another leading die cutting machine on the market. It's a perfect machine for embossing, crafts and hobbies, card making, paper crafts, and scrapbooking. It's so amazing that this Platinum can cut over 40 different materials up to 8 inch wide. What's even more is that it's sturdy and can cut as many as 6 layers thick in a single pass using contour steel rule dies. Isn't that cool? Besides, it is compatible with most standard wafer-thin, etched dies, embossing folders, and texture plates. This thing can cut through dense materials such as leather or craft metal. Whether you're working with the thick or thin material, the Platinum will blaze through. Do you ask about portability? Well, this machine has a sleek, modern design with collapsible handles and fold-up sides to facilitate mobility and storage. The device comes along a pair of clear-cutting plates, embossing plate, standard platform, and embossing mat. Whether you're looking to make cards, DIY projects, fabric arts, mixed media, wedding, party, or home decor, Platinum 6 machine can come in handy. It boasts high-end gears, hence a secure unit, and its heavyweight makes it stable during use. This little machine can be a workhorse and never disappoints. It comes with a straightforward instruction booklet on how to set up and use. At number 5. Gemini by Crafter's Companion Machine. Gemini die cutting machine is one of its kind. If you've been looking for a tool with a large platform to cut multiple dies at a go, then this is what you need. It is fast, light, and quiet than most of its brothers on the market. Those 3 features tell you that this machine is not your average die cutting machine. You know how difficult it can be to combine speed with silence. When we say this thing is unique, we mean it. It features pause, resume, and reverse buttons, meaning you have all the freedom to work without fear. That's not all, it boasts a sleek, low-profile design, and is ideal for intricate dies as well as for cutting heavyweight cardstock, fabric, vinyl, and foil. It is a 120V machine and uses high pressure to produce high-end designs. With this machine, you can do edge-to-edge cutting of A4 materials. It is compatible with most thin metal dies and embossing folders. The device comes with the transparent cutting platform, base cutting plate, metal cutting plate, magnetic shim, plastic shim, rubber embossing mat, 3 design embossing folders, 16 cutting dies, a user guide, and a power cord. In other words, it comes with everything you'll ever need to get started. You can also use third-party embossing folders and dies. The machine itself is pretty extensive, and you need extra room to load the plates. If speed is what you're after and you'd like to cut large pieces often, then this machine is for you. At number 6. Brother ScanNCut SDX 125 EGY machine. The Brother ScanNCut SDX 125 EGY is also quite deserving of a place on this list. It is an electric die-cutting machine that can take you from a beginner to an expert crafter in weeks. Like most modern die cutters, it comes equipped with inbuilt cutting designs that will be the basis for your first few projects. In this model, you get up to 682 of them. Notably, some of these inbuilt designs include quilting patterns and varying fonts. Despite the inbuilt designs being so many, you're bound to outgrow them at some point in your crafting journey. When you get there, you can start incorporating hand-drawn concepts and ideas by making full use of the scanner component included. The benefits don't stop there. You can even add designs using the included USB port of the machine. Once uploaded, it's possible to customize, edit and combine projects using the already available touchscreen built into the die cutter. Another attribute that should get potential buyers excited is the automatic material sensor technology. It eliminates any need to manually adjust the blades or account for the material you're using. The machine will do all that and make the appropriate adjustments before it starts cutting. It even slices through tough materials like foam and leather. The die cutter makes an excellent purchase for hobbyists, but even more so for professionals. Lastly, the manufacturer is considerate enough to add the accessories you might need for your crafts that include a touch pen, accessory pouch, black pen, tack mat, sample cardstock, and more. At number 7. Sizzix Tim Holtz Vagabond 2 Electric Die Cutting Machine. Are you looking to take your die cutting creativity to another level? Well, this Vagabond 2 could help you achieve that. The machine is motorized and all your die cutting and embossing starts at the push of a button. Its briefcase-like intelligent design makes this electric roller machine portable and suitable for people with mobility challenges. The entire device is all metal gear, hence strong and durable. Along the die cutting machine comes the platform, 2 clear cutting plates, and a thin adapter for using with the thin dies. Note that if you need longer cutting plates, you'll have to purchase them separately. This thing is very versatile as it gives you the freedom to work with the entire Sizzix product library, but the dies and embossing folders should not exceed 6-inch wide. This powerful die cutting machine offers a great deal to crafters as it cuts and embosses various materials and thickness effortlessly. It is compatible with Spellbinders, and you can use them whenever you like. With this machine, it's almost a guarantee that you'll cut small thin dies with precision. Be gentle and don't attempt to force a thick sandwich through. Be sure to follow instructions. Something else worth mentioning is that this machine uses electricity only. It might not be useful if you stay in areas with a frequent power outage or no electricity at all. It is exciting die cutting machine and you'll like how it works.